Have you been wondering whether you actually need a durable power of attorney? Well, let's go through it. My name is Maxwell White, and I'm an estate planning attorney in Maryland. A durable power of attorney is a legal document that gives somebody the authority to take financial actions on your behalf. The durable part of it means that that power continues even if you become completely incapacitated. For example, if you need your daughter to go to the bank and pay your mortgage for you on your behalf, a durable power of attorney can be used for her to have that authority. As for whether you actually need one, it really depends on your circumstances and the risk of something happening in the future, such as dementia, because you can only execute a durable power of attorney if you are of sound mind. You want to have this in place before you come down with cognitive impairment or some kind of incapacitating disability. Now, if you have a revocable living trust, the trust itself will say who has authority over those assets in the event that you do become incapacitated. And so if you have a revocable living trust, generally there's less of a need for a durable power of attorney when it comes to those assets that are actually in the trust. However, even if you do have a trust, let's say you need somebody to contact a government agency on your behalf, they would need a durable power of attorney to act on your behalf when working with that government agency. So when you're trying to decide whether you actually need a durable power of attorney, you want to consider a few things. First of all, do I already have a revocable living trust that accounts for what happens to those assets? You want to think of the likelihood of someone having to contact the Social Security Administration on your behalf someday. Generally, it's most safe to just have one in place in the event that something were to happen. It's one of those things kind of like a seatbelt. You may not need it, but if you do need it, you're going to wish you had it. This video is intended to be educational in purpose and should not be used as a substitute for discussing your particular circumstances with an attorney licensed in your jurisdiction.